Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, my house is trashed. Anytime that I have ever said my house is trashed, it is nothing compared to what it is today. It is the messiest it has ever been. This is, without a doubt, the messiest video. My house has never been this messy. Definitely not. My kid has been playing hard the last couple of days. And I'm going to take you and just show you what we're dealing with.
A huge mess and checking out the living room and my room.
You made a huge mess in the kitchen, the living room, and your room?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. It is
crazy. A mess. Then a mess. All I have to then go all up to the top of the room and then that floor and back and then goes down to another house.
It's crazy. I'm going to take you around and just show you what we're dealing with here. There's a ton of cleaning motivation in today's video, you guys. You do not want to miss this one. It's crazy. We got clothes there. We got... Oh, bless you, Dawson.
A whole bunch of stuff right there. Look at it.
We've got Holden's room. We've got train tracks everywhere. He brought his train tracks out here and made a huge train track yesterday. It was a fully functioning train track yesterday, but today it's been tripped over, and I got clothes there ready to go in the laundry. It's just, yeah, it's become something else.
This is like all junk.
Yeah.
Even my superstation.
It's crazy. Mess in here. We've got mess on the table. We've got mess in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And then coming back into the living room, I can show you guys over here. Like, this is on another level. So come and hang out with me while I get it all clean.
Yeah, of course, this is a huge mess, because also everything is cool, but everything is a huge mess.
Yeah, sure is. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get started here. We're going to begin by taking apart all of these tracks because, as you guys can see, they were absolutely everywhere, so we couldn't really get anything done until we got those taken apart. And Holden was such a good little helper throughout this. I was so proud of him. He's starting to get better with helping me clean up his toys, and he actually was really excited to be in the video and he wanted to film a cleaning video with me, so he was really a lot of help, and I was really proud of him for that. So going ahead, picking up all of these train tracks and putting them back into his room. Basically, we're just going to take them and just kind of like stuff them in his room and not really worried about putting them away quite yet, like in their proper space, because once we get to his room, then we'll put it away. That's kind of the way that I work. Like, I'll do it room by room, and if I have something that goes into another room, I'll just take it and I'll just kind of dump it in that other room, and then once I get to cleaning that room, then I'll actually put it away, if that makes sense.
The wicked one, wicked drowning water. Let's go on the longest journey.
Alright, now that we have most of those tracks cleaned up, we're going to head further into the living room. I'm going to try and tidy up this couch a little bit, and as you guys can see on the floor there, Holden had been coloring. Like, he has just been playing so hard the last little while, which makes me so happy because especially during the winter, for those of you that don't know, I live in Canada, and I live on the prairie provinces in Canada, and we get extremely harsh winters. So there's lots of times when we don't even leave our house for like a week at a time, and our kids cannot play outside. It's just too cold, and there's too much snow, and it's like frigid, horrible temperatures. We're talking like sometimes minus 40, minus 50 degrees. So a lot of times our kids can't go and play outside, and especially in the wintertime, there ends up being a lot more screen time than normal. So now that it's starting to be spring and we're starting to get some nice weather, like he's starting to play outside more, we're going for walks, and I've just been noticing him wanting to actually play more rather than watch TV, which is awesome, because sometimes during the winter I feel really guilty about how much TV time he gets, and so I'm just happy that he's actually wanting to play a lot more right now.
We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. No waterfalls to wash me. The wicked drown in water, let go wicked one. You wicked drown in water. I wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls to wash me and cleanse me. Drowning water, let go wicked one. Wicked drowning water.
Okay, now we are going to move over into the kitchen area. So this area, I had dishes that needed to be done from the day before, and we're going to take care of the countertops, get everything unloaded off the countertops, get the dishwasher unloaded, get the dishwasher loaded again. There's going to be a ton of motivation here in this kitchen because there's a little bit of everything that needs to be done.
I could be the heartbeat in your head. I could try to elevate you, put your bad memories to bed. I could be the unsung hero. I could lay the world at your feet. Baby, if you'd lean on me, I'll hold you up for all to see.
So as you guys can see, I still had some dishes left over, and I just wanted to go ahead and hand wash them because I just wanted it done. Normally I would just leave them and then load them up the next time that my dishwasher was free, but I just wanted to have a nice clean space after having it so messy. So I just went ahead and hand wash them, and I'm going to hand dry them, and I'm going to put them away so they're off my counters. Normally, even when I was hand washing, I would just let them air dry, but no, today I was just like, nope, I'm going to have a clean house after this chaos that it has been the last couple days. I wanted it complete.
It's in my mind, I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know you're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know you're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna.
So in heading over to the dining area, I have a whole bunch of stuff on this table, and a lot of it is for Holden's birthday. So he has a birthday coming up on May 1st, and his birthday party is going to be the weekend after that. So I have a bunch of stuff that I have to make his decorations for his party, because of course he decided that he wanted a Pac-Man themed birthday party, and I cannot find Pac-Man decorations anywhere, so I'm having to hand make a lot of the decorations. And when I say party, I'm like, that's very loose. I'm saying that very loosely because we are in a pretty strict, it's not a lockdown, but we have just like a 10-person bubble that we are allowed. So we're just going to have some immediate family come over, and we're going to be outside. We're just going to have a fire and roast some hot dogs and do the cake and all that sort of thing. But yeah, I wanted to like make some decorations to have it a little bit special for him. So I go ahead and do that, but that's mostly what was on the table.
Hey, take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead.
And the last room of the day that we're going to tackle is Holden's room. So like I told you earlier, I had just brought in everything from the living areas, and I just kind of dumped it here, and so now this room is even messier than it was when I had originally started. So we're going to go ahead and put away all of those train tracks. I just have all of them separated into these little bins that go on this little stand. It's just like the perfect little arrangement for all those wooden tracks, because it can be kind of hard. I used to have them all in a great big bin, but it was really hard to find pieces that he was looking for. So I find if I kind of mix them up a little bit in these bins, it's easier at least to see what he has for when he's trying to make tracks. So, and we make a lot of tracks in this house. Pretty much this is a daily event. He is obsessed with trains. He always has been since he was little. So he's always making these train tracks, and it's definitely really fun for him.
Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say.
All right, you guys, we are nearing the end of the video, so I just wanted to pop back on here and say thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you are here to the end of the video, I super appreciate it, and I just want you guys to know like how much that really means to me that you guys watch my videos, and that if you subscribe, I really appreciate it. I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and I'm getting very close now, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day and that you found some inspiration in today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.